Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome back to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you so much. And to those of you that are not subscribed, subscribe and join the fun. For the first craft, you're going to want one of these welcome signs. A piece of cardstock. These are so cheap at Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's. A couple embellishments like some leaves and some raffia. And I am not going to use Mod Podge. What I am going to use is this Waverly varnish. It's a sealant, and it works way better than Mod Podge. The first thing you want to do is take your sticker off, sand it off, get this off because it'll probably be in your way, and this. I can plan on gluing this back down. I just didn't want it overhanging. The first thing you want to do is tape this off. Next, I am going to take my varnish. I am just going to slather it on. Now I'm going to put my cardstock on. Grab a piece of saran wrap and smooth it out. And now I'm just going to let it dry. Once it's dry, take your X-Acto knife and just trim around the edges. Be careful you don't cut yourself. Now if you want to throw another layer of that varnish on, you can. I chose not to. It is matte varnish, but I decided I don't want to. So now I am just going to tack my leaf down. I want to put part of it on here and part of it right there. And then before I tie this on, I am just going to paint the stem with my truffle brown. And when it dries, I'll put my raffia on and it will be done. That came out so cute. I love it. Okay, on to the next project. For this craft, you need some truffle paint, 2 sets of these foam dice, so you have 4 die total, a package of balloons. I'm using the 12-inch white latex. You can get them whatever color you need, and these letters. The first thing you want to do is take the letters, fall. This is one nice thing about these letters. They're repositionable, so you can take them on and off. And I am going to paint mine truffle. Try not to get around the edges because it will leave a little mark, and then usually I just have to take my nail and rub off the little dots and just paint these and let them dry. Okay, here comes the fun part. Just take your scissors, cut it down there, and wrap it around your die. And we're going to do this twice, so make sure you get all the wrinkles out. I'm going to trim a little bit of the excess off. Because I plan on putting mine like this. I'm going to put another one with the back side going over like this. That way it will hide that orange. Okay, now that my letters are dry, what I like to do before I put them on there, there's a little burr. I'm not sure if you can see it. I just take my nail and I rub that burr out. I did give it 2 coats. After the first coat dry, I moved it, removed it, and put it over there and got the little burrs out, and then I painted again. So now you want to take your die, and where this is, this part is going to go on the bottom, and the see-through part is going to go in the back. So I want it like that. So my letter's going to go right here. There, and just put all your letters on. This came out so cute. And what I love about these letters is you can take these off and like for Christmas time you can put Noel or toys. Yeah, I love it. On to the next craft. For this next craft, you're going to need 3 of these boxes and 3 sets of mums in different colors. I love these. I need to grab me more to make a wreath out of them. Some wood glue and some chalk paint. The first thing you want to do is take out the metal blocks because you don't need them. Glue them all together. And then I'm going to put white chalk paint when it's dry. Okay, I only gave my box 1 coat of paint. The next, I want to hide these lines, so I'm just going to glue some raffia. We'll start at the top. And now I am just going to cut my flowers and put them, set it up. I think this came out so pretty. And this would be the perfect centerpiece for your dining table because you can see it from both sides. I would just take the raffia, do another design on the back side. Okay, until next time, stay safe everyone and take good care of yourself and others.